Yeah, man. Yeah. Get everybody, yeah, get some more people back on the life. Get some more people back on the life. Play for 3 more tune and make a reason a little bit and then you can forward back and play some more tune. Yeah, man. Get some more people back on the life. Yo, everybody, forward back on the life. You know me, I deal with King Barka in the building. Long time, you know me, I say a long time. A long time we don't hear King Barka sound. And we miss King Barka sound off of the road. Jano. So you want the sound of forward back on the road? Grab the microphone a little bit. Grab Patsy over there. Yeah. Make a one call and make a yo. Yo. Yeah, man. Make a one call. Don't make a 2 call. Make a 1 call. Yeah.
Watch a call, yeah.
Yo, people, watch a call. Forward up on the life. Everybody, forward up on the life. You know what I deal with? Now we done. Big up yourself. Kill a day. Anywhere you're standing, big up yourself. You know what I say? Yo, Ryan Shatter. Black up here. Yo, the whole team. You know what I deal with? Yo, forward up on the life. You can reason a little bit. You know what I say? You make a call. You know what I say? Because you don't know who I'm back up on the phone to. You know what I deal with? Blacker than if you can tune in back on the live. You know what I deal with? Well, I make the call. You know what I say? And you can put the phone on the charge a little bit. You know? Charge up the phone a little bit. You know? Yeah. Yo, forward up on the live. Yeah, man. Tell a friend. King Barka in the building. Bad sound from out of Bronx, Harlem. Anyway you want to say it. You represent the whole New York same way. You know what I deal with? From back in the days. If you don't know about the sound, you know, I can't tell you enough history about the sound, you know. Because it's a bad little sound, I not tell no lie. One of them sound back in the days, we used to get LP, you know what I say, little trouble. Yeah. Blacker than, you know, Barka, you know what I say, the whole team. Big up on yourself. King Barka in the building. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Forward back, yeah, man. All right. So, where I said, the sound, make a reason a little bit, yeah. Make a reason a little bit. Yeah. First of all, before we start anything at all, slide over a little bit. Slide over a little. Yeah, slide over. Yeah. All right. Before we start anything at all, introduce yourself to the people and make them know your name and the
Well, I see somebody ask, how this I play the song. Well, I mean him R&R, a.k.a. Rated R. You understand? I made this.
Want to hear that? R&R. And the virgin?
Big sport.
Big sport. Boy, he must have sport. So you say you get the song, Barka gave the song 6 years ago.
6 years ago.
But how long you been playing King Barka song?
Well, I play the song from about little bit, about 8 years now.
About 8 years now?
Yeah, man, about 8 years.
So that's the time you used to play on the radio station?
Because what me is, blacks, I played the song before I left Intellect.
You used to play a song before that?
Yeah, man, Intellect with Ricky Genius.
Okay.
Ricky Genius song, and me used to play it.
Okay.
You know say? So, you know how sound thing go.
CD come in. Well, before me cut you, any other sound system before that song?
Well, we used to run, I don't know if you know Squad 51.
Of course, I know Squad 51.
You know Squad 51?
Yeah, man.
Well, it's a one, you know, is a man we used to love playing soul. So me used to dead as a little youth to listen. And one day, one day, and a man give me sound for play. I think Tony give me sound for play, and I play some soul and then put me up on a crate. Because I play music from me about 9, 10. You understand? And Tony put me up on a crate, and that's some things start from Squad 51.
Squad 51. And from Squad 51?
From Squad 51, I first sound we touch a Squad 51, they have a sound called Eagle Force. You understand? Because I live right in a community, Eagle Force.
Yeah.
Father Dennis, you understand? I want to say, we go up on a truck and end up a country. Them time them a liquor youth. You understand? So, I end up get to play the sound before you know it go. You understand?
How long did you play Squad 51?
I never really play Squad 51 like that, but I first sound.
You really go around?
We really go around.
All right, and the next sound, what you say?
Eagle Force.
Eagle Force. How long did you play Eagle Force?
We never played that one the night. I first sound, who would say play, who would I say, that's how we learn.
You learn, okay, you learn the craft.
Yeah, yes, that's how we start.
So,
then you have a sound named PG International now.
I know about PG too.
And that sound them I play now.
How long did you play PG?
I play PG about for 5 years. I play PG for me now, junior high.
Did somebody select them from PG?
I don't even remember I selected them in the class. I get a good run to it. I get about 3 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I get 3 years out of PG. Yeah.
And then you move from there and...
I move from there, so I go Intellect. But before I go Intellect, I go Black Star Liner.
I know enough of them people on the live don't even know some of them sound the way you talk about.
No, some of them now going to know.
Yeah, some of them don't even know the sound the way you talk about.
We got Black Star Liner. And Black Star Liner, and that's where I get the craft from. Because before I play any jump up, you have a brother named Brother Devon, him turn Christian now. He must say, yo, when you play your sound, start from Yassa. And that's where I learn the craft. Foundation.
Yeah.
You understand? And that's where I start from. That's where I really get the real teaching.
Okay. And then from there?
From this now, we left from this now and go intellect sound. Them time there, me platinum kids are play King Majesty them time there.
Yeah.
And then intellect King Majesty, then you have the Super Sting and them sound there. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how long you in the business? You as you know me as you
in the business
in the music, yeah.
Well, if me start from 8.
Well, you start from when? Yeah, you start from you go on sound system.
From a go around, well, we are talking about, that's about 29 years.
Wow, long time that.
Yeah.
Long. So you have your experience, man. Because I watch how you mix the tune them and for a selector who just joined the sound for 8 years now.
Yeah.
King Barka sound, and you play the tune them like that. It's like you know the box.
Yeah, man, we know the box, man. Because here now, we used to go actually.
Yeah.
Lucy and them place there. You know, I say Silver Dollar and all them place there. So we know we're in our box.
So, all right, in them days, what year did you move to New York?
New York, we reached about 1991.
91. And in the Bronx?
In the Bronx, yeah.
So when you reached New York, what sound system you used to hear about in the Bronx them time?
Well, I mean, I tell you, a King Barka, you know.
King Barka.
A King Barka, Stereo 5. Where you have the Afrique.
Yeah.
Of course, the LP. Well, LP, you know, one different league. You understand? When you hear, I hear about LP from there, yeah. But when I come to New York, I get to kind of hear the box. I say, nah, man.
Wow.
Nah, man. Because here now, it's a King Barka sound now. When we used to listen to big jump up. And when I listen to LP, I get to hear some different song.
Truth.
I say, no, man, you see LP and Stereo 5, them sound they play some different music.
Yeah, man. Pirates, big up yourself. Yeah, you don't know from back then. Speedy. And you know me, I said the whole Stereo 5 click. Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Because used to be what? Stereo 5, King Barka, Downbeat. When next sound in the Bronx name again? Younger come later on, right?
Yeah.
Younger come a little bit later on. Younger come. Because I know them sound that was before, you know?
Yeah.
Pentagon.
With
the next sound the Squeeze used to play.
I that man, Pentagon.
Them have a next one. What the next one name again? But you know, enough song come out of the Bronx.
Yeah.
Whole heap of bad song come out of the Bronx though. But King Barka was one of them sound they do. Where we can say, yo, that sound there was a bad sound.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? And the selector them from King Barka, what I'm to all the selector them, the original selector them.
Well, me never meet Blacker than, you know. But me meet everybody else. Tender touch on the whole of them. I talk more time with, you know, my deal. Yeah, man. Sometimes you see my deal.
So, okay, so them give you a little ins and outs.
Yes, man.
Okay. So that good. At least, you know, me I say you still get the knowledge from some of the elder them seeing.
I want to say some of I tune them still have it, I mean, get them yet, you know, but I little by little them, maybe them watch me to see if I can angle it. So,
you can angle it. Me not tell no lie.
Understand.
You can angle it. You can angle it. From tonight, you impress the people in the life. If you're a selector who play a sound where 8 years now, and a sound from back, 29 years?
29 years.
29 years?
Yeah.
I have to give you respect for that. Because you have enough of them selector, you know, them their own sound, you know, and them join an old sound, but them don't know, them try to learn the craft around the sound and learn the box.
Well, here why we learn it so fast. We used to go to dance them and know the song them where you mash up the place. So if you go to dance them and know the song them where you mash up the place, you're supposed to know the box.
True, and if you listen to the cassette and the audio and everything, you're supposed to know the box.
Right.
But still, enough of them too lazy. Them
No,
different thing.
no.
Enough of them youth them lazy. They don't want to do them thing there.
Because even right now, I cut song. I don't cut no new tune.
Still foundation.
A bare foundation, I cut.
But I say you have to do it.
All the boss, of course, I say, find some writing king on them, man. I say, nah, man. Remember, I tell you, I used to listen to certain sound like your sound, Stereo 5, and them sound that have the heavyweight song them.
Yeah.
So I start cut some heavyweight.
True. I'm gonna make you play some of the heavyweight song to make them hear. You don't have to play the one them where you don't want to play.
The one them
but
where
play
we
the
don't
one them
play,
where you
we
feel
play
say.
them.
Play the one them where you know what I say?
Yeah.
And play some, because you don't know. Enough of the people them a long time on the King Barka song.
See.
So I know enough of them why hear some tune.
Yeah, man, we are playing some regular heavyweight. You understand? You know the sound thing, right now them probably not even heavyweight, but if you see music is a thing, especially when you go dub for dub them style. If a song ever make a mistake and slip, I want simple song kill it.
One song, one simple mistake and one tune.
And it's hard to get back the forward. You see, if you get that forward, the other sound, it's hard for him get back the forward. You know?
True.
Unless him have a skill. You understand? So
Real
you know
thing.
what you do.
All right, but you do some production too, right?
Yes, man.
How long you do some production? How long you have the production?
Well, you know, so we have met beat long time, but we never really take it serious. We start from Reason. When Reason come out, we have practice with Reason, and then FL come out. We never like FL, so we just stop make beat, and then, you know, King Barka want to go in a production. Barka say, you know, I start the production thing. So I say, all right, go back around the thing and try a thing again.
Okay.
And it come natural, because about 8 rhythm me have already.
So which artist you have on the production?
Well, right now we have Dan Mafia on the production. Him really a guide.
Dan Mafia, if no follow him, a.k.a. Gringo, from back then. Remember me telling you, Gringo, I used to write for the tune them for being a man.
Yeah.
It's a real talk. So real talk, IG. You know what I say? Dan Mafia, big up yourself. And who else?
We have to pull up the list because some new artists.
Well, you have to play. No matter. You have to start somewhere.
We have to start.
You have to start somewhere.
Correct, sir.
All right? So, all right. Here we're going to do. We're going to make a play some more tune. We're going to reason a little bit again later on. And you don't know, because 9 o'clock. You know what I say? We have to keep the time. You know what I say? On schedule. We not go over the time. Like, you know what I say?
For real.
Someone will get carried away upon the life. You know what I deal with? So big up everybody upon the life. King Barka and I building. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Share the life. You know what I say? Keisha Martin. Big up yourself because you don't know always on the house. You know what I say? Now we done big up again. Black up here. You know what I deal with? The whole crew. Big up. Yo, Killer D. Know yourself, you know. Everything compensated. You know what I deal with? King Barka in the building. Tell a friend for tell a friend. You know what I deal with? Yo. You ready?
Yeah, man, make a search for some
Search.
song, you know. Search, you know.
But you can start back from the last one you left off and then you just go through, you know.
No, man,
Different thing.
Yeah, man.
All right, different thing.
All right.
Tell a friend for tell a friend. King Barka in the building. A long time no fun on the year. LP, Real Talk, IG. You don't know. Mad thing from 6 to 9. You know what I deal with? So you don't know. Let it go.
Make we go in this is a small box me I play because you know this is a small box. I play the small box. You know.
Well, I know. You need a man say small box. You not touch a big box yet.
No.
Small box.
A small box we I play. Alright, yeah. New York City.
It's all about the King Barka sound. With the man called Father Barka. I run watch your face, man. K9, grrr. People afraid of that. Big sport, you run things for years, man. Alongside the Mighty Diamonds, coof, some boy dead now. Ooh, yes, yeah.
Make a dip in a small box.
Whoa, yes. A King Barka sound, you know.
Yeah, big up all of the sound and put the life. Big up all of the sound and put the life.
Yes. King Barka now no mercy on the sound boy. Jah Elton, we pray John. King Barka now no mercy.
No mercy.
On the jumping sound. Jah Elton.
Although we early to the thing, Big Sport famous.
Sound was made to suffer.
Yes, I'm a craft there.
But King Barka no mercy.
When they come to them song, yes, I'm a thing there.
King Barka have no mercy on the sound boy. Jah Elton, we praise your man. King Barka have no mercy.
When me I play them song, you feel powerful.
Sound Jah Elton, we praise your man.
So big up man like R&R, K9 big up yourself, Big Sport big up yourself, and big up all original people them.
Yes, I'm a craft there.
R&R, K9 big up self, Big Sport big up self, and big up all original people them. Champion sound play champion artist. King Barka sound is a dancehall star, and King Barka sound is a murderation sound. King Barka kill sound in every way.
Chop a big up.
King Barka murdering sound in every way, and I know why. Believe me, I know why.
When me a play them song, me feel powerful. Me feel powerful.
Big up all yo. Yo.
Dimension big up.
Jah knows King Barka sound is a murder. Yo.
Big up Cox up on the big him up.
Jah knows King Barka sound is a murderous sound.
Miss Effie.
And no jumping sound can show us down. Cause I
See my favorite part I come, you know.
you want sweet for sound.
See my favorite part, you know.
King Barka is a
Wait there.
murderous sound.
Say trouble big up.
You never know sound.
We me love that song and me have to play it again.
Yo.
Me say, and yes, I me feel my power.
Jah knows King Barka sound is a murderous sound, and no jumping sound can show us down. Cause I told you once before, sound boy, King Barka is a murderous sound. You never know, sound boy. King Barka is a killer sound. Yes, King Barka kill all.
So when it come to the foundation part of them party, I'm like.
Girl come around, sing for them out of the land. Oh, they sleepy on the cellar. Oh. King Barka, yeah.
Me saw them party, I'm like.
Rolling sound. Just say ooh, King Barka.
Just so long.
Just say ooh, King Barka.
Just say ooh.
Won't you tell me ooh,
What are the man?
when I hear a camera sound, just around.
Yeah, Joseph, big up yourself. Pick up a dung bit massive. You know me, I say, oh, you're full of knowledge, you know.
Make we kill them, yo. Oh, in a King Barka sound box. Me say I know the plate to kill all camera sound. Anywhere in play.
King Barka.
Just say ooh, King Barka.
Just say ooh, King Barka. Yo, a long time we know your King Barka sound.
Won't you tell me oh?
Them still a real authentic, you understand?
Oh, let's leave you on the cellar to never thinking so I'm out. When we can't talk to Barka girls.
They found the sound out there. They found the sound out there.
King Barka, yeah. Bad sound, yo. Talk of the town sound. King Barka, are you? Sound killing. That is what King Barka do, yo. Sound killing. That is what King Barka do, yo. Begging you a the plate. King Barka begging you a special. King Barka, can I help? Hold by and sound cannot help you, yo.
On the notice how we play them song, yeah, I'ma get the power for your chat tune, you know, right?
Oh, yeah. Sound boy. Listen. Sound boy. King Barka. Sound. I go murder you, jump on tonight. Sound boy, you better get out of sight. King Barka, sound. I go murder you, king on sound tonight. Crazy sound boy. So long, I've been warning you, fool, but you wouldn't listen to me. Now you end up in the cemetery. No matter how hard you did try, sound boy, yeah, you could never get away. King Barka, just hear your sound.
Michelle, on the notice the difference when we start playing them style, yeah, a family in this.
Why don't you run away? Run away.
Michelle, me gone in a million.
Run away now. If you run down the King Barka sound, you will never catch him. So why if you run down the King Barka sound, you will never catch him. King Barka, he's a hero. So why you have to follow? King Barka, he's a hero. So why you have to follow?
Like we said, big up LP.
And the son boy come to test and don't see tomorrow. I said the many son boy come to test and don't see tomorrow. Cause I say you play dogs to kill them, and it's no joke about it. King Barka play dogs to kill them, and it's no joke about it. So pack up your jumping and run away before it's too late. Sound boy, pack up your jumping and run away before it's too late now.
Michelle,
Listen when I say to you, make a run and no joke about it.
Michelle, when them song you play, them style of song you family style this.
Lincoln Sugar Mine at Bottom Keys. Run it well. There is a message.
My small box me a play out.
I'm gonna play for you.
Where's the famous?
I know a little sound is a jump and sound. A jump and sound is E. King Barka lick him down and he lost his crown. Now he's crying, you see. So don't put your trust in a jump and sound, for it will let you down. Don't put your trust in a idiot sound, or you'll be on the ground. Jump and sound, coming out the lawn. Jump and sound, boy, have a sudden fall. All of his friends on the dub that they spin couldn't put a jump and together again. Don't put your trust in a idiot sound, boy, cause you know King Barka ruled the land, and we run the country. Hey sound boy, say you're quite contrary, and I saw the rubber dub go. You don't have no dub around the dance or the club. Now King Barka make him start the show. Alright, hey, you're just an idiot sound boy. You're just a fuckhead sound boy. Can't taste the King Barka.
Me say, me in a the small box. You understand?
Every time.
Small box me now.
Lord of mercy on a idiot sound boy. Oh gosh, but it's a king Barka juggling. In the dance we're playing, but it's a king Barka juggling. I know enough sound boy, they are waiting. The king Barka juggling. I know it's their neck, they're risking. King Barka juggling. Playing dub is our favorite living. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yes. Drop in a soundtrack, we got dance all. King Barka sound say you rule them all. Drop in a soundtrack, we gonna dance all. King Barka sound say you rule them all. King Barka travel over the whole country, playing rubber dub for everybody. King Barka travel over the whole country, playing rubber dub for everybody. Fling rubber dub for the East man, fling rubber dub for the West man, fling rubber dub for the South man, fling down a dub for the North man. But this a King Barka juggling. Hey, in the dance we're playing. But this a King Barka juggling. I know enough sound boy, they are waiting. King Barka juggling. I know it's their neck, their risking.
I know so when me start play the song, my friend them a tell me, cut out that man name, cut out that man name. I said, nah man, you can't do them thing there. At them man they pave the way so we can have them sang ya. You understand?
Well, on. You can't do that.
Can't do that.
Oh, you cut out the man name.
That the man must say, I say no.
No, you can't cut out the foundation name. Because you know me, I say you have to leave the, you know me, I deal with.
If me cut out name a different sound.
If it was a newcomer now, come down the sound and you don't know certain things that work out right, you just cut out them name. But you can't forget the foundation. Run the tune.
Big up, Tender Touch and Barka Dan. Girls love the sound. Follow it all over town. Hear me?
Yo, Barka Dan, big up yourself. Anyway, you're standing better.
It's gonna get rough for you. Hear me? Look out, sound boy.
It's gonna
be rough. Look out, sound boy.
Yo, Alan Brandon, big up yourself. Who are report? Big up yourself.
Be tough, you don't feel it in this dance tonight.
I remember Rumble Thursday, each and every Thursday.
Gonna rinse out your life. All night long, better dubs, he plays. You best back up, yes, give up. Sound boy, run away. Cause there's nothing to hold him back. Hold King Barka back, oh no. It's gonna get rough, yeah. Hear me, King Barka is the best. Hear me. You'll be crushed, you're a nut. Back it up, back it up.
It's a my style, that song them here.
Just soft like cheese. Give it up, Lord. Have them mercy. King Barka is rough for yet. King Barka. Oh now. King Barka in the area.
Mr. Femi style, that song.
I go suffer. Oh now. Tell them again. Yes I know. King Barka sound a winner. You don't have to tell me cause I know, yeah.
Them a talk about me for cut out the man them name out of the dub. Me say no.
Oh yeah. King Barka sound a winner.
When the man them pave the way, them pave the way.
Oh now.
Blacker than big up.
Yeah. I remember the dance of Blacker than always. Murder sound boys. Take them and throw them in the corner. Well, I never would have thought King Barka would hurt them so bad.
Super Cat.
Was make sound boy pay.
Can't play no Super Cat tonight.
The idiot dubs them that day.
And the big box that.
Some boy you should have known. King Barka a winner. You don't have to tell me cause I know, yeah. Oh, yeah. Barka sound a winner. Oh, now.
Now hear this. Big up all massive and all crew. This is highly smart original than all that. Now when we talk about down, we not talk about no carbon.
Where is it, touch a cat?
South. This is King Barka sound. Old time Blacker Dan. Barka.
Where say 1 year, one piece?
Run it my out. 24/7 cross the board. King Barka.
No skylarking.
King Barka. Yeah. We used to let Charlie's cook idols chew together.
Hear that?
Play football and cricket as one brother. But to your west, a jungle.
people from all over the world. You understand? Like me say, LP, thanks for your platform. You understand? Because as the younger general are forward, you understand, ready for your world. You understand, you have to start from somewhere. So we have to start from yes or no. And yes, we start.
Yeah. Tender touch, Lord.
I want them to remember them style.
A sound of fraud. Standing in a no, in a no.
Brooklyn, remember.
King Barka sound, in a no. Barka sound, you know. Whoa, say you only got a few days more to get the dubs. You won't have the dub store. In a any sound clash, King Barka ever read.
Brooklyn.
No boxes, no plate and boxes are. Little rapper pam pam, a beer rapper pam pam. King Barka come a town, a beer rapper pam pam. Rapper pam pam, a beer rapper pam pam. King Barka come a town, a beer rapper pam pam.
Listen.
Say what is the meaning of rapper pam pam? Now tell another meaning.
Yo, tell them about the rapper pump pump tune again,
man. You know, so we not beg no friend. We shot all the sheriff. Cause you know, so King Barka I pour around the tariff. Saying, well, big up all New York massive, all Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, Washington. Everyone saying, yeah. Tender touch, Lord. A sound of rock. Hina no. Shouldn't test King Barka so. Hina no. Barka sound, you know. Whoa, say you only got a few days more to get the dubs. You won't have the dub store. In any sound clash, King Barka ever ready. No boxes, no plate and boxes are LP. Little rapper pam pam, a beer rapper pam pam. King Barka come a town, a beer rapper pam pam. Rapper pam pam, a beer rapper pam pam. King Barka come a town, a beer rapper pam pam. Say what is the meaning of rapper pam pam? Tell another meaning of.
What is the meaning?
Pam pam shot the coat of the rapper pam pam. A sound get dropped to back a rapper pam pam. Say one gonna prison to the rapper pam pam. One a rubber life sentence to the rapper pam pam. Barka come to town with enough dubbing a them man. Tell me tender touch away you bring for the youth man.
Yo.
Give them a guitar and a mic in a them. Make them go nice up stage show and make dance jam. And grow in a this world as a big musician. And trot all over the globe chant King Barka.
Everybody know.
Rapper pam pam, a beer rapper pam.
I wonder if you remember that one here. Bronx, you remember that one here?
Yo! Sound boy.
Bronx, you remember?
My friend is not my brethren. My friend is not my brethren. Because no sound I said that them bonify. Ooh, but them don't fry. No sound I said that them article.
Wait.
But them are artificial. King Barka no make them tell you about no big.
The forward no reach it. Hold on.
The biggest suspect. No make them tell you so them check for you. Are you title them want take from
everybody.
You. We call them friend enemy. Whoa.
See forward you know.
Call them friend enemy.
Way forward the seat ya.
Who know a friend? Different our enemy.
You know me, bombo.
Massive. A junior
It just reach.
Case man saying King Barka this year man saying no sound test. We don't have time for waste. How we have to be able to wait? Any sound at all just tell them who the dance can make it.
Bammy man would have said bambo cat.
And this try. Well, big up the selector tender touch man saying. Big up all and the crew saying. Blacker than big things are going man. All massive. Big up on yourself Barka massive. Hear this. Sound boy.
Yo.
Hey. My friend is not my brethren. My friend is not my brethren. Because no sound I say that them bonify. Ooh, but them double it a fry. No sound I say that them article.
You say I go King Barka fall upon the road. No for them not gonna like it.
Make them tell you about no big respect. Ooh, got them are the biggest suspect. No make them tell you so them check for you. Are you title them one?
Oh no, big up yourself.
Call them friend enemy. Whoa. Baby, we and tell them what we call them friend enemy. Who we know a friend? Different how we enemy them. We know a friend. King Barka, don't stop tell them what them a talk. But we still now after them and them a chat. Well, I never chat with our friend the race long time. That touch a wait till in the end. We are going to see.
Yeah, big up a true friend them.
Them no for go flash. Like when paper touch pen, some a screw. No for them a wrinkle and bend. Some a go bolt and tear down all we coke. We know a friend. Different how we enemy them. We know we father read them. Better come tell them. Send them sound and say that them bonify, ooh, but them double it a fry like beer. All man at the crew saying
one more.
say no call we, do no call we fi play against no jump band, against no old band. You say no fi call we, do no call back against no jump band, against no old band. Ready? Say oh you come and dance without your dance passport. Never travel to. I'm telling man Eastern Parkway. Down on the walk tour man airport. How you leave out on a banana boat back a run things. Run things.
Wake the town and tell the people, man, this is King Barka, man. Not no winner papa. Anything test gunshot them get and all turn over, man. I know say King Barka, the king for New York, you know. So big up King Barka, the general. Body sound in New York, up, the wild up it's right in town. Curfew!
Oh man, big things take them man. Junior read for them case again. Well, big up the King Barka high power massive.
See the one there.
That's what I'm saying. Big up the youth called Barka, the man.
One that, you know.
That's from New York. Big up you like pay.
I'm going in a big box. Make I go back in a small box.
No, say no call we, do no call we fi play against no jump band, against no old band. You say no fi call we, do no call back against no jump. We not talk about no band. Come me say, oh you come and dance without your dance passport. Never travel to King Barka airport. You don't have the walk tour man airport. How you leave out on a back? Well on now. Back a run things. King Barka high power, them a run things, run things. Give me now, where's the Barka? I mash up in a yard, in a foreign, in a Bronx, Manhattan, lad, in a Brooklyn. Anyway, King Barka go them up it, grow the king. Look out any sound boy, out of the ring. Send back a yard for him original thing, make she know Bronx.
Stop right this up. Oh, me fi come a Brooklyn. I not play a bad Brooklyn artist.
Flatbush.
Eh?
Church.
Make I play a Brooklyn artist, yeah.
Play it.
Yeah, this is the bad bud. Make a bunch and soak. Make a setting now.
Yo, I murder thing with a bunch of man. King Barka, chow man. I murder thing with a bunch of
Make a touch in a Brooklyn.
Bronx. Just like that. Sluggy ranks. Hey there. Rhythm check.
Yeah man.
Squid the ranking boy gets spanking.
King Barka sound of the original.
Make a touch in a Brooklyn.
Things. Every time Sluggy Rankin say that. Watch out now.
Oh yeah.
Progressive sound must change. Heal them with positive vibes. Progressive sound must change. It's nothing but cultural style. Oh yeah, just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back. King Barka sound on boss. Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back. Where's the Atlantic? A sound on boss. Hold it back sound boy, I talk about them boss.
That must be mad.
I must see JOS boss. Hold it back sound boy, I talk about them boss. I must see the mini boss. Hold it back sound boy, I talk about them boss. I must see balloon boss. Tell me, ooh, I go hold it back. King Barka sound on boss.
Question, what we say? Don't from my your name and mention. Now about the fate, now worry your intention. All the girls, from me know are you the man love.
No ice cream, no wonder. Tell them no famous cream sound boy. I say you don't want no ice cream sound, that's too soft for me.
Wicked and bad King Barka, oh gosh.
You know I don't want no ice cream sound, that's soft, can't you see?
They're like a melt though.
Yeah. I want a sound that can remnants all like a stage show.
Wicked and bad King Barka. Rough up road.
My sound is the nicest and the sweetest sound.
King Barka.
You know King Barka.
What's your order?
And the toughest sound.
King Barka, ask them. Have you ever seen a 45 before? Does a sound never get murder front of your door? You old and balls and no murder me.
Stop right this up. Like I go into something when you really want on the life. Are you ready? Like I go into something.
Town and King Barka come around and come to Bundong Town. No master, you know you're the queen. Shanta. Marlene, grab it cause it clean. You know, so King Barka rip up all up.
Make a go to something upon the life.
You know about the King Barka, take that touch. When you know so no pet, when you jump on a soda, when you powder. King Barka, the original slaughterer. When you know so no pet, when you jump on a soda, when you powder.
Live!
Dermot, the gun and boy under fire. Some little sound boy, what is the matter with them? Them do a one song. No master, you know you're the queen. Shanta. Marlene, grab it, Shabba! You know, so King Barka, rip up all up. What them little clown sound? You know about the King Barka, take that touch. When you know so no pet, when you jump on a soda, when you powder. King Barka, the original slaughterer. When you know so no pet, when you jump on a soda, when you powder. Dermot, have the
one of my favorite in my box.
Fire. Some little sound boy, what is the matter with them? Them do a one song, them think them and Barka a friend. Them tighty feet. mighty flight, the post a lot of them. All of the gun a bust shot under them. We know say that we rule and we are the king for them. Cool, fool, the Dermot him rule. The AK is the impersonal tool. Cool, fool, Papa Curl him rule. Sound boy, you gotta feel with foot school. Cool, fool, King Barka him rule. If a dance all King Barka on the rubber dub school. Cool, fool, Papa Steve him rule. Boy out a road them a fool.
My part I saw you now, see ya.
If you don't want cool then your blood it full of pool. You don't know say son boy a King Barka foot stool. If a dance
Father Puma link up.
done roll and anywhere we go.
Hold on there, Barka. Barka, you there? Yeah, hold on. The real general want to talk to you.
Hold on, yeah.
Hold on there. Get him on the speaker there. Put him on the speakerphone. Yeah, put him on the speakerphone. Yeah. People, you don't know, we have King Barka on the phone. You don't know, I have to make him voice heard, you know? Yo, Barka. What go on? The people them hear your voice now. Yeah, man, we there, you know, they don't know, they are not R&R, they are burn a fire, me I tell you. Yeah, man, you don't know, a long time. Oh, the sound the back on the road? Yeah. The sound far away back on the road?
Yeah, man, for real. R&R deal with it.
All right, that's what we want to hear, because you don't know the people that miss the sound in the back. I'm not telling a lie. We miss the sound. Okay. You have anything you want to say to the people in the life? Because you have people that listen to you and hear what you say, you know. So you have anything you want to say to the people? All right, you depend on some producing thing. We'll play a couple of tunes off of it where you produce, so you don't know before the live end, you know?
No problem. Bless up, man.
All right, bless up yourself, King Barka. You don't know. Bless up yourself every time.
Give my respect, man. Bless up.
Give thanks, all right?
See it there.
See it there? King Barka and Living Colors, you know what I say? Yeah. All right? So run some tune and then you don't know, because 9 o'clock, you know, time is spunky. You know what I say?
Just like that.
Yeah. So run a couple more tune and then you play a couple tune for the production and the reason. And, you know
what?
All right.
King
Barka.
Barka, rip up something. Who wanna pet on the powder when the nurse nothing? Yeah. Let's slaughter them fast.
Like we say,
All.
LP.
Just deal with it the right way because fi murder people we know wait till night. All a murder people in a broad daylight. And a boy a this and that a get too bright. King Barka a out the liquor jungle light a just skull pan we gun. Cut pan we knife. They a fist and up no fi we equal rights. Dub plate it a run. Lyrics to we mic. Girl them a holla left hand to right. Gun bag no bring no badness to we cause that now go work. We no triple we no soda. Boy we no nurse. Think twice. Hurry your mic and hurt you coulda have to push your head back under your mother's skirt. Faster, article and down to earth. Now fi touch a button for a guy get hurt. Two, fi murder people we no wait till night. All a murder people in a broad daylight. I just skull for we gun, blood for we knife.
Kill and collect.
Well, now watch ya. Blacker than Persetard. God of his mercy. Tender touch, backled, boy dead enough. Let them know say, ready or not. Gun pancock, son boy you get gunshot. Ready or not. This one is a deadly medley. Back and lone play. We just love put on the bed. Love put on the bed. Back and man them love put on the back.
Ladies!
If you don't like no funka, put up your hand. If you don't like no funka, put up your hand. Listen. Action begin. Let the war start. Shot. Blacker than Persetard. God of his mercy. Tender touch, backled, boy dead enough. Let them know say, ready or not. Gun pancock, son boy you get gunshot. Ready or not. This one is a deadly medley. Back and lone play. We just love put on the bed. Love put on the bed. Back and man them love put on the band. If you don't like no funka, put up your hand. If you don't like no funka, put up your hand. Listen. Action begin, let the war start. Don't play a bus up in a sound boy heart. Action begin, let the war start. Try the borderline and no forget can pass. A boy a disrespect and him come from over not. Pass borderline come a east a exalt. It no tickle no brain, it no trouble no heart. It scratch the gun finger, the gun start back. Me say in a dance hall play dub start walk. If a boy disrespect then him life it lock off. Put a boy we back in a one not. Action begin, let the war start. Don't play a bus up in a sound boy heart. Action begin, let the boy start. Fire gunshot in a party boy heart. Woman, I love you, me dear. Yes, I love you for you, I swear. Buy your blouse and plenty underwear. See your stiff nipple standing over there. Drop your blouse and make her see you brassiere. If you jump off your chest and I see your pussy here. Nature jump up, wood gone in a gear. That's why me no say boy have to get shot this year. If you don't like no fucker, put up your hand. Booyah! If you don't like no fucker, put up your hand. Yes, we just love on the bed. Love on the bed. Barka man them up on the guinea gag. Love on the bed. Love on the bed. Barka man them up on the guinea gag. Light up your lighter, wave up your rag. Yes, batty boy, them fi go down in a bag. Action begin, let the war start. Gunshot a bus up in a informer heart.
Sex for pleasure, not for pain. Tantalize the body, mesmerize the
Spragger.
Any girl a go like she too dread. Like she wa fit terrorize back a third leg. Wow no, jack it up, dig out the red. Rub on the thing, the pan way body head.
Simpsons are buttered and beavers.
We the one that kill sound with a miss.
King Barka, you play like a champion, juggle like a champion. King Barka, sound, tell me where you come from.
You think this is the Simpsons are buttered and beavers?
Barka kill sound with a miss. King Barka, you play like a champion, juggle like a champion. King Barka, sound, tell me where you come from. Kick over, jump and over, pam, pam, pam. King Barka, you rule. King Barka, like a champion, over the champion. Well, go on, Barka, tell me where you come from. Kick over, jump and over, pam, pam, pam. Barka, what's more? King, them can't play like a you. When I some run up them out on a school. Big with us one show them speak and pace, spit and flying up, jumping out.
Touchdown!
Excess amount of. Sure.
Oh, goes!
How they big up yourself, everything good.
Yo!
From the other side, yeah. No, run to that show. King, them can't play like a you. When I some run up them out on a screw. She love it, know. They can't.
When you say search trouble,
and the dubs that you play.
Liquor Kurt be the man.
While I whap them, wanna miss them, whap them too. Over Queens, I'm in a youth, excitement, back it up them ever new. And on peace, I'm in the bounty line.
Hey, we're about 12 minutes, definitely. 12 minutes.
Back away the dub and a source of trouble back. Can't juggle like you. When I some run up them out on a slow. She love a low.
Sing along.
See the search trouble.
Sound boy shall down.
Yo.
Sing along. God knows. Lord of mercy.
Give him a praise.
Come along. God knows. Tell them.
Let me like your mother. King Barka will be there.
King Barka, the wickedest sound in all the world. All Barka style will take away your girl. Fool, could have your girl diamond, emerald or pearl. Or the pony or the cat or jerry curl. Oh no, you shouldn't do it. Why you bite the meat? You love to bite and you love people me. So let me spot the piece of earring on your teeth. I tell me say you beef a burger, you just eat. I'm black and a fool, Barka and a cool. You bite the pony earlier, you want some more soon. Yow, you bow, tell me why you gow. Bite the pony like you a bite pop chow. Sing along.
Weary,
Lord of mercy.
you around me.
King Barka.
You bad all the while. The last year I leave it every time.
Yo.
Say, Barka all left from Flamingo where Jamaica fun too.
Yo.
Playing, teaching the people for show. And to touch of any man up on the toe. If you ignore you going, oh, Barka all drop back a foreigner, everything insecure. Him drop back and ear step on next skull bore. Drop back and you say there's one skull bore. Son boy down there play young him what more. Yes, the John Pope all come the front tour. Party man up run all the march on tour. Tour Kingston and I'll go tour Portmore. But me know the whole of them would have must dead for sure. And the sound boy them now play no more. Play clashing and fighting them no unite no more. All the time the gal them feel broke out like a sword. It's
seems like the people ever have got no one. Sadness all the sickness and
my pocket
I sat Maracala. Oh, Barka, from going on, joy given told.
I know some now we fit.
I'm say King Barka son. King Barka. Hey.
Listen.
And I never strap with 2 guns, you see. Ready for charity to a day.
Well, I know.
Magnum, chrome and pretty. Brown in flip texted. R&R bust out a head February. Martian can't fix that in April. King Barka sound ready for slaughter sound anytime. Send them a head when bad man squeeze up the trigger. And them skin gonna catch a fire. And the squeeze up the trigger.
Bro, 10 minutes to go. What we say? What? 9 minutes to now? 9 minutes to go.
Squeeze up the trigger. King Barka run boy. Bad man a
we are punctual on time, we are broken for them bad. We are punctual 9 o'clock.
Pull up on them at the studio. When them a try beg no play. Yeah, I did done in a angry mode then Jigga finger now way. Yo, Chama pop up, the whole place fast. Be a man a tremble, oh what a ras.
Yo,
man a chop, man a scream, man a piss, man a die.
We are playing
a dead with
a few more.
While him a squeeze up the chica.
Before you play a few more, more you play some of the production. Yeah, play a couple of the production to the people. Because you don't know. King Barka, you don't know, you step up, because you do different things. You start from the sound and you put it down, and you don't know him. Sound back on the road again, as Barka say. You know what I say? And them having production. So introduce some production to the people, make them know what go on. You know what I mean, David? Right. Yeah, man, big up everybody on the live. You don't know each and every Sunday from 6, you know what I say? You don't know the real talk starter, you don't know Killer D with the early one from early out. You know what I mean, David? So each and every Sunday, 6 o'clock, Real Talk IG. I remember, if you missed the show, you can check it up on the YouTube, you know what I say? And make sure you subscribe and like. You know what I say? What I say? Subscribe and like to the channel, yeah?
Mad say crazy. Well, LP, we want to thank you and we appreciate you for bringing us in Brooklyn. We really appreciate it. It was a good look. And respect to all of your viewers them on your live. Me nah lie, the thing loud and up. And we really enjoy ourselves, full joy ourselves. Welcome King Barka to Brooklyn. We all know we're there from
long time, from the 90s. From the 90s.
Straight. The first time we're coming to your studio, I will love it. I will love the vibes we bring. All right. So respect and thank us for bringing us. All right.
Yeah, man. Give thanks to that. You don't know. We have to spread the love, you know, because you don't know. We have to bring back the foundation, them. Make the people them know. Because some people forget. Because I may never bring King Barka up on the live. Enough of them would remember what King Barka. But I have enough bridging. Because you don't know King Barka and LP used to have that rival. Back in the day. So enough of my bridging them always say, yo, we're King Barka. They want to King Barka sound. So you don't know. I have to reach out and, you know, link up Barka and bring it up on the live. You know what I say? So it's a pleasure for me to have up on the live too. You know what I mean?
Nah, like, some people talk about the leaf, you know, but they don't remember about the root. You have to go from the root straight up. So now the leaf you have to on the tree every day. You have to come from the root.
Definitely.
So we have come from grassroots. So you don't know your foundation for a long time. And we come through and we show you some strength and we're there, man. Like Pat Pan Fire, Boil Khan.
Bless up, bless up. Don't know. King Barka and I building. Play some of the production, make them hear.
Up.
King Barka production.
Yo! Mad me, I'm mad now, brother. I can't deal with this no more. Yo, people them want about their life, dog. You know. All over the world, some of you. Everything crash. Everything mash up. So what it
Who's the Dan Mafia?
We ready back, you know. Me no business, you know. Me mass up, you know. Me have my gloves. Yo! Who open back the world fee? Who open back? Tired feel like up in a house like say we a house rat. Who open back the world fee? Who open back? If Corona no kill we hungry.
Yo, Dan Mafia, bad tune. You don't know, open up back the one the world for open up back. You know what I say? Mad piece of tune. Corona go on right now. We still up on, you know what I say, quarantine. Let it go.
Hold on. Look out for the video too, you know, the video up on YouTube. Check it out.
King Barka production.
Yo! Mad me, I'm mad now, brother. I can't do this anymore.
Mad them.
Yo, people them want about their life, dog. You know. All over the world, some of you. Everything crash.
Dan Mafia, a.k.a. Gringo.
So when it a go start up, we ready back it up. Me no business in that. Me mass up in that. Me have my gloves. Yo, who open back the world fee? Who open back? Tired feel like up in a house like say we a house rat. Yo, who open back the world fee? Who open back? If Corona no kill we hungry, sure we know that. Yo, who open back the world fee? Who open back? People lose them world.
Listen that song carefully. Listen.
Who open back the world?
Listen that song in New York City. Listen.
Wash up and type up.
Listen.
Sack like yo. All ballad, all Rastaman. Calling all Chinese, all Indian. Ready, we ready, don't we go burn Babylon.
man.
King.
Play it again.
Yo. Mad me, I'm mad now, brother. I can't deal with this.
Yo, I can't remember one time, 2 years ago, I used to see some people that walk with masks and them things there, and I used to laugh off of them, I not tell no lie. I know the whole way are wearing.
So when it go start, bro? We ready to back it up. I'm not business, Me mask up, Me have my gloves. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? Tired fi lock up in a house like say we a house rat. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? If Corona,
let the one they go and chuckle.
Where fi do that? Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? People lose them work and can't get no cash. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? We can't go wash up after past 6 o'clock. Yo, all ballad, all Rastaman, calling all Chinese, all
listen good enough.
Ready, we ready now fi go burn Babylon. Mask by me face and me gloves by me hand. I don't trust the damn United Nation. A long time in was that the whole of them are.
Listen good.
I set up them scheme for the population. We bring in robot and kill off you.
Listen.
Rothschild, Rockefeller, them and Satan. Bill Gates a talk about vaccination. That time a microchip him want put in.
Listen good.
I saw them a go have we under them program. I enslave the human population. One know where you sleep, one know where you
listen good.
One know if you have sex with your woman. That's why chronic spun them out.
Open back.
Yo, open back the world fi open back. Tired fi lock up in a house like say we a house rat. Yo, open back the world fi open back. If Corona no
King Barka production, King Barka production.
Open back the world fi open back. People lose them work and can't get no cash. Yo, open back the world fi.
Hey, enough people use them work, but enough people that collect the money there and don't want to go back and work neither.
Everybody dead them say
me have some virgin thing. Hey, put up a tune there. What do you? Me have some virgin, I tell me say, me make more money by staying home than going to work.
See one of them there.
Yo.
Construction man, See one of them there,
Yo,
man say him not go back and work it.
You mean? You have to go back and work. Because the money is going to stop one day.
Him say when he stop, him go back.
But when he stop, you might not get no job. You want to go on next tune?
Hit that, man.
I hit that.
We are left it right there.
Yeah, left it right. Run it back
Right
then,
there.
man. Run back the Dan Mafia then, man. What do you, man?
King. Barka production.
Yo, mad me, I'm mad now, brother.
Yo, each and every Sunday.
Yo, people them want
make sure you share the life.
All over the world, some of you. Everything crash, everything mash up. So when it a go start up, we ready back it up.
When it a start up,
me mass up enough.
Everybody on the life now.
Who open back the world fi who open back? Tired fi lock up in a house like say we a house rat. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? If Corona no kill we hungry, sure fi do that. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? People lose them work and can't get no cash. Yo, who open back the world fi who open back? We can't go wash up after past 6 o'clock. Yo, all ballad,
all Rastaman,
calling all Chinese, all Indian.
Yo,
ready now fi go burn Babylon. Yo, mask by me face and me gloves by me hand. I don't trust the damn United Nation. A long time in was that the whole of them a plan. I set up them scheme for the.
See the bad part I sang,
We bring it.
See bad part, yeah.
Kill off human. Rothschild, Rockefeller, them and Satan. Bill Gates a talk about vaccination. That time a microchip him want put in our hand. I saw them a go have we under them program. I enslave the human population. One know where you sleep, one know where you yam, one know if you have sex
with your woman.
That's why chronic spun them out on it.
Everybody know.
Who open back the world fi who open back?
Yo. We want the whole of the place open up back, but we don't want it open up back too quick. And then the Corona and thing, well, them say, we don't really know what going on, you know. Them say Corona, them say that kind of thing, and we don't really know what going on.
Them say pandemic, right?
Yeah, pandemic, yeah.
And then, watch this now. All of a sudden, it gone. People stop wearing masks.
Slide over, yeah.
People stop wearing masks. Me in a park. I say, but wait, what going on? Me are the only one in a park with my mask. Everybody now, where Corona gone?
Yo, Corona gone to Florida and South Carolina and them place. Yo, you want to say anything to anybody on the live?
I just want to big up the world, man, because as you see, I get a platform for company. So, I hear somebody there, say, so big up the world.
Each and every Sunday, you don't know, LP, Real Talk, IG. Tell a friend, King Barka in the building. It was a pleasure, it was a blessing. Yeah, a long time we didn't hear King Barka sound, back on the road. So bless up everybody, give thanks to everybody who tune in on the live, each and every Sunday. Bless up on yourself. Enough respect, bless up.